Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Norway. Conditions for starting a private limited company. A private limited companies can be founded by one or more people. Both natural and legal persons such as private limited companies can be founders. You must be age 18 or over in order to be a founder or perform another role in private limited company. The company must have a Norwegian business address, that is, a Norwegian physical address which is stated in the format street, road, house number, postcode and postal town. Postbox addresses will not be accepted. Funding and registering a private limited company. How to found and register a private limited company when those who have performed roles in company have a Norwegian national ID number or D number. Found the company by completing and signing the form Foundation of a Limited Company. You will be notified when the company has been registered via your inbox in Altinn. Registering a private limited company cost NOK 5,570, the one-off fee from the Register of Business Enterprises. Upon registration, the company will be assigned an organization number. When one or more of the founders do not have a Norwegian national ID number or D number, while those who are to perform roles in company have a Norwegian identification number, you need to follow this procedure. How to found and register a private limited company when some of those who are to perform a role in company do not have a Norwegian national ID number or D card. The Brønnøysund Register Center on Registering Limited Company AS in Norwegian only. The Brønnøysund Register Center on Founding a Limited Company in Norwegian only. Foreign citizen. If you are not a citizen of an EU or EEA country and are planning to run a business in Norway, you need to have a residence permit that will allow you to work here. You can find information about the terms and requirements for a resident permit on the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration's UDI website. Naming a private limited company. Private limited company must have the form of incorporation, auxiliary cap or the abbreviation AS either before or after the company name. More about choosing names, domain names, business names and trademarks. Deadline for registration. The Register of Business Enterprises must receive notification of the registration of the company no later than 3 months after the company is founded. The company is founded when the last founder has signed the Memorandum of Association. Companies cannot normally take on obligations until they have been registered. How long does it take? The Brønnøysund Register Center's case processing times vary during the year. The Brønnøysund Register Center expected processing time in Norwegian only. Running a private limited company. Once you have registered a company, you should familiarize yourself with the rules for running a private limited company. Thank you.